Hey everyone, welcome back to another short unboxing and review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Redmi Turbo 4 Pro aka Poco F7. So first of all, talk about the box content. You can get one SIM ejector tool, one soft case, one USB Type-C cable, and 90-watt fast adapter. And lastly, our smartphone. Design-wise, the phone look like Turbo 4, but it's come with slightly bigger display. The smartphone built with glass front and back with aluminum frame, and the phone also come with IP68 rating. And the phone is very heavy. It's not lightweight. It's 219 gram. Moving to the display, the phone come with 6.83-inch 68B color AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, and the smartphone resolution is 1280 into 2772 pixel, and the phone also support HDR10 plus, and the peak brightness is 3200 nits. Security wise, the phone come with under display optical fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Very soon this smartphone long time full review, gaming review and also camera review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. This is the first smartphone come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 SoC with 4nm processor with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage with UFS 4.1. Software wise, the phone running HyperOS 2.0 with Android 15. Moving to the camera section, the phone comes with a dual camera setup, 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 20 megapixel selfie camera. And the smartphone comes with huge 7550 mAh battery with 90-watt fast charging, so you can easily get 2 days of battery life. Okay, that is all about our short unboxing and short review. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.